Today I'm going to show you my really easy method for using a salad spinner to make really delicious, refreshing salads. We love them in my house in the summer, and a salad spinner just makes life so much easier because you can really quickly wash fresh lettuce and you can dry it in the spinner too, so it's nice and crisp. Let's get to it. One of the best parts of using a salad spinner is that you can buy these large heads of lettuce at the store and be able to wash them yourself. The lettuce is so fresh when you chop it up yourself, so give it a few large dices and then add that lettuce into the salad spinner. And thank you so much to Zillis for providing the salad spinner, which I'm using in today's demo. So the basket inside the spinner is where the lettuce is going to go, and then top that off with fresh water. I like to use cold water to keep the salad crisp. Add the top, and there's a little string that you pull, which will spin the salad inside. I spin it a few times and sometimes get in there with my fingers and move the salad around and then spin it again. Then it's time to remove the top of the salad spinner and take out the basket that has the lettuce in it, which will strain the lettuce at the same time. You can dump out the water that just cleaned the lettuce or use it in some plants and add the basket of strained lettuce back into the salad spinner without any water in it. Then it's time for a final spin, so give it a really good spin here. This allows all the water to be thrown off the leaves, which means that your lettuce will be nice and clean but crisp. Now your lettuce is ready, and look how much water was left on the bottom of this. All of that would have really made this lettuce soggy. The lettuce is ready to use in a salad right away, or you could store it in the fridge in the salad spinner for a couple of hours. Sometimes I don't use all the salad at once, so what I'll do is I'll add enough water in the salad spinner so the lettuce stays submerged in the water overnight or over a few nights until I use it all up. I will, of course, empty it out and spin it dry before using in any salad that I make. There's so many delicious summer salads for you to try at the Sit Bite Go YouTube channel, and at sitbitego.com you can print them all out and join my Foodie Fridays email list. I'll send you one delicious thing to cook each week. I love to hear when my tutorials are helpful for people, so let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.